Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. 17-inch wheels. Black MB text interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof. Around back, C300 4MATIC badging, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, alongside premium 1 package with blind spot assist, heated seats, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 29,273 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.